Hmm?
You were kids then. You can handle her now.
I don't care. We're not going to that wedding. I hate her. Plus, you're addicted to gambling.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you addicted to gambling?
No. But apparently Virginia's addicted to making me look bad in front of company.
We're not going.
Oh, your friends.
There's other things to do in Vegas. You said you always wanted to see Paris. They got one there.
No, Wyatt went to Vegas once. When he got back, he wouldn't tell me anything about his trip. He just kept saying,
What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Cool. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Because wild things happen there that you wouldn't want people to know about.
Don't grab
That's
him.
clever.
you know what? I would love to do something in Vegas. It has to stay in Vegas. And I
Rudy.
You could come with me.
You're gonna go? I didn't really think you were the Vegas type.
That's because you only really know Daddy, Jimmy. You don't know sex in the back of my van with the serial killer, Jimmy. I used to be a wild man before this little ball and chain came and threw a wet blanket on my party fire.
Get him.
She's cute though, isn't she?
Get him.
Oh, Daddy can't do nothing anymore. Now
that's
Jimmy,
nice.
you poop the
Oh, he's running away.
You need to party.
Oh, I do.
I'm starting to think I should go to Vegas for the wedding. I mean, the Magic 8 Ball says ask me later, but I'll have time for that.
Oh yeah, you can't be on the 8-ball schedule. You gotta live your life.
Be
If I
nice.
don't go, Delilah wins. She'll always have the satisfaction knowing that she shamed
Here
me
he
into
goes.
staying away.
You're gonna
right?
lose some.
Right? Yes. Yes.
Here he goes.
We are going.
No,
Yeah.
I'm overthinking
Don't
it.
bounce on
I
him.
am. I think I'm overthinking it. No, I'm not going. Never mind.
Go, everybody.
What a dream. I dreamt that Donkey from Shrek said I shouldn't go to the wedding, but then Naked Obama said I have to go or else Delilah wins.
Hey, baby.
So we're going.
Not you. Obama says I should go to Vegas. He says you should stay home because of your gambling problem.
You told him to.
I had
I
to
know
make small
that.
talk. He was naked. It was awkward. Well, it took 3 hours, but the Ouija board just more or less spelled out the following. Delilah is going to be flaunting her new husband in front of me without you there. She'll probably think our marriage is in trouble since I can't tell her you stayed home because of a gambling problem. I mean, I had to fill in the blanks, but that's the gist of it. Anyway, you have to come with me, but you're not allowed to carry any cash. Ouija says I hold the money.
We are going to Vegas.
Yeah. Be
Odds of
nice.
finding your long-lost twin at McDonald's?
Gary? Larry.
1 in a zillion. Odds of winning a prize?
$25,000.
1 in 4. Monopoly at McDonald's is back and better than ever. Odds of Michelle Wee getting her next hole-in-one today? 1 in 50,000. Odds of Michelle winning a prize?
Oh, smoothie.
1 in 4. Play now because this year 1 in 4 wins. With 125 million winning game pieces for cash and great prizes, the odds are irresistible. Monopoly at McDonald's. The simple joy of... I won!
Nice.
Car crash in the home. That's when the whole town went crazy.
No amplified music, group behavior, public dancing. Dancing is against the law.
In the bomber.
What are you getting yourself into?
Challenge.
Oh.
I don't want you to see that boy again. He's trouble.
I just wanted to make sure my intentions were clear. This is our time to live.
Don't live this week. PG-13, October 14th. Dear Left Brain, I bought us a car that has class-leading 35 mpg and a 5-star crash test safety rating.